How did you manage those 8 days stress?
They are really hectic, and I think even the AIR one can't manage it.
This strategy has never been shared to me by any student, and I also find it a very good strategy to really get a grasp, get a confidence on that particular subject.
I'd like to personally thank you for your guidance and support throughout my journey, because I purchased my SPMVV lectures and cost studied books from you. Charts provided by you, they were really amazing. Like SPMVV charts, it saved my time to make notes. So I referred to them during my revisions and of course while studying also. So yeah, they were amazing. And the cost studied book, it was so very well structured, like every cost accounting standard, and there were so many questions to practice. Like they helped me really lot in my practice, revisions and everything.
In a scenario where even getting passing marks is difficult, how can someone aim for a rank? How can someone study to get all India rank, and that too from 1 to 10? So yes, we are back yet again with a winner, with an achiever who has done really an amazing task in her June 2025 final examination. And yes, guys, I'm going to introduce you to the All India rank holder 10 in the June 2025 examination. With round of applause, I would like to welcome Moomal Shekhawat, All India rank holder 10 in the June 2025 examination. How are you, Moomal, and how does it feel to be an All India rank holder?
Sir, I'm really good, and it feels truly special to be an All India rank 10. I'm like feeling very grateful for all the support I got from my family, friends, and of course my mentors for their guidance. And of course, this rank is not just a like achievement and here we stop. Like this is something which reminds me that I have to keep pushing myself in order to achieve my bigger goals.
Absolutely. Very well said, Moomal. So, Moomal, my first question to you would be, what was the reaction of your parents? I know you are the first professional in your entire family. So, what was their reaction when you told them that, yes, I am a professional now?
So the result came in the morning. So the first thing I did was I called my father and told him that I have passed my CMA examinations. At that time, I didn't check my rank, but that was the only news. And all my family members were really happy. They were really proud of me because they've seen my long study hours, my hard work, and the stress that I went through my entire CMA journey. So they were really proud. And then when I told them about that, I got an All India rank 10. Then they were like at cloud 9 directly. They were so happy. And even in my village, my village from where I belong from Rajasthan. So there
What is
also
the name
all
of the
my
village?
relatives.
What is the
Its
name of the
name
village?
is Junjunu.
Junjunu, oh, where
Yes.
there's that very famous Mata Sati temple also.
Yes, Rani Sati temples. It is very
Yes,
famous
Rani.
over there. So all
Yes.
my relatives over there, they were so happy. All of them called me and they were so happy. They told me, "Congratulations, you've done such a great work and all." And I really felt more happy by seeing their reaction than getting an AIR.
Perfect. And all those efforts, all those late nights are worth it once you see that moment of pride on your parents' face, that moment of satisfaction on your parents' face when they feel that, yes, all their hard work which they have put in on you have now borne fruits. And that moment of that feeling is absolutely par excellence. So, yes, you got that feeling, Mool.
Yes,
Amazing.
sir.
So, Mumal, we also want that feeling. All the members of this entire channel, all the CMA community, students who are giving their next attempt, everyone wants to hear out how can we get an all India rank, how to study theoretical subjects and practical subjects, how to revise, what was your strategy. We want to know it all.
Yes, sir, sure. I'll be more than happy to share all my strategy with all my fellow students. I'll be happy if they really figure it out because many students they struggle at it. So I'll start with practical subjects. First of all, complete the entire syllabus. There is no ABC at the start of the syllabus. You have to aim to complete the entire syllabus and plan accordingly. Like I took 1 year to complete all my lectures and everything, so plan accordingly. And talking about how to approach practical subjects, So, first thing, practical subjects need practice. So, you need to practice each and every question in your notebook. And
Hmm.
of course, if you're doing lectures from some faculty, so do one to two questions along with them. But when it is for the third or fourth question, just pause the video, read the question, and try to figure out that how you can reach the answer. And
Hmm.
of course you will not get it in the first time, and because you are still learning, so then start the video, and then when the faculty will tell you that how to reach the answer, then it will be more clear to you, and you will remember that. Like,
Good
because
strategy.
many of my friends have told me that when they solve questions along with the faculty, it feels easy, but afterwards when they try to solve it on their own, it feels difficult to reach the answer. So when you
Hmm.
have gone through the thing in the first time, then it becomes easy to retain that,
Hmm.
and you are more clear about the way how to reach to an answer. So this is for the practical subject.
Good.
Secondly, for theory, I've seen many students, they just start theory lecture, and they just start listening to what the faculty is saying. Don't just do that. Take a notebook and a pen with you whenever you are listening to a theory subject, because by this your mind will be more active, and when a faculty is saying something important, you have to write it. In this way you will be able to retain more of it, more of the
Hmm.
theory subject. Otherwise it will be just like you have completed one video, two video, three video, and then when you see it again, you'll think like, what is this, I haven't read it. So even if it is highlighting important words or something, have a pen or highlighter in your hand. So this is
Correct.
so this steps need to be followed when you're first doing something, like when you're first completing your syllabus for practical and theory subjects. Secondly, if I talk about revision, so if you do it like this way, when you're covering your syllabus entirely and in this way, then I think three revisions are enough for you. so, in the first revision, for practical subjects, solve all the questions again. Not necessarily in the notebook. You can even solve repetitive questions using calculator only in order to save your time. And at that time, mark some questions which are important, which are comprehensive, which you will practice later on once again. And at that time, when there is some adjustment in a question, like there is an special adjustment in any question, highlight that adjustment in your first revision itself. Same for theory. In first revision you should start learning theory, because if you are learning it already, then it will not become a burden later on. And of course, three revisions are mandatory, you have to do it. During revisions, like during second or third revision, you can follow the ABC analysis, like which chapters are more important, you should focus first on them. And like similarly for B and C category, of course you can refer to past year question papers, like what is the trend about the questions, and practice accordingly. This is for revision. One and last but most important thing is MCQ, because there are 30 marks in your exams weight as a weightage for MCQs. So if you're focusing on MCQs from the starting, or even in your second or third revision, like if you're doing MCQs daily, even some teachers, they like post one MCQ in one day in like their Telegram or WhatsApp channel. So you can do that, or you can do it on your own self. So MCQs, do not neglect MCQs. Yeah, this is the strategy which I think is little different from traditional method of studying. And if you follow that, there is more chances that you'll clear it and of course get a rank.
So much for that amazing strategy. My next question would be, how did you manage those 8 days stress?
Um, the the 8 days, they are really hectic, and I think even the AIR one can't manage it.
Correct,
So
correct.
yeah, even all India rankers are not able to manage it. But what you can do to make it easy is plan in advance. Like when you're doing your second or third revision, at the time you can plan for last day revision, like the important questions and important notes that you have to refer to, so that in
Hmm.
this way you have already planned what you have to do on the last day. So one stress becomes easy, like one tension is gone. Otherwise
Correct.
people always feel like now exam is over, now I have to plan what I have to study. So do the planning part already.
Before. Correct.
Yes, before. Secondly, if you have done MCQs before, then you need not to see it on the last day. Otherwise, what I did in my intermediate was I was doing MCQs on the last day. And because of that, I was not able to revise the important topics. So
Hmm.
that's why doing MCQs before and planning already is a like something which will reduce your stress over the last 8 days.
Hmm. Awesome. Great. Great piece of advice, Momal, and thank you so much for being part of this interview session and sharing your analysis and your strategies. I'm really sure that this strategy which you have told now, that while watching the video, do the question which is there before the teacher does it. This strategy has never been shared to me by any student, and I also find it a very good strategy to really get a grasp, get a confidence on that particular subject. And it's a way to like that subject. We want to like that subject, and you will love that subject if you do this strategy. And yes, your strategy was really amazing, Mumul. So Mumul, all the very best for your corporate stint now. Campus is in front of you. Prepare hard for the campus as well. And we all hope and pray that Mumal Shekhawat becomes a costing director or a finance director of a big, big company very, very soon. So all the very best for your corporate career.
So, thank you so much. And I would like to personally thank you for your guidance and support throughout my journey, because I purchased my SPMBB lectures and cost audit books from you. And I remember, like whenever I used to post any doubt, your reply was like within a day or maximum 2 days. And that was really helpful, because sometimes teachers take long to reply, and then in this way there are doubts which are left in our mind.
Fine.
So
Hmm.
yeah, that was really helpful. And the charts provided by you, they were really amazing, like SPMVV charts. I like it saved my time to make notes, so I referred to
Yeah.
them during my revisions and of course while studying also. So yeah, they were amazing. And the cost audit book, it was so very well structured, like every cost accounting standard, and there were so many questions to practice. Like they helped me really lot in my practice, revisions and everything. So yeah, thank you so much.
My pleasure, and that is actually my duty. So I'm really glad that you could score well in these two subjects and the entire, all the papers of CMA final, and got all India rank 10. So yes, all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you for taking out time. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, sir, bye.
That was Mumal Shekhawat for all of you. And yes, she has become a CMA now, All India rank holder 10. And of course, once you get a rank, you definitely get a priority in your campus placement. Yes, it doesn't assure you a campus placement, but yes, you will definitely be shortlisted if you get a rank. So getting a rank is not only academically really good, but also professionally a desirable thing, because you will get preference over many other students if you get a rank. So with these simple strategies which Moomal has told all of us, let us really aim that we also get rank in our next December 2025 attempt, and we come out as a winner in CMA final and intermediate examination. On that positive note, and with a commitment that I'll be coming back with more such winners, more such achievers who have made it big in the June 2025 attempt. With that commitment, all the very best and happy studying.